A few words now about how Inspired Partners work with clients.
I mean, they very much became part of what we were doing, so they certainly had very free access to everyone in the business, and people got to know them. And so they would do some of the communication, they would do some of the direct interaction, obviously, with the staff. I think they became part of the business over time. The biggest thing for me is the team interaction, and you see people actually understanding what they're doing and very highly motivated, and having the opportunity to get some of their issues on the table very early when we can actually do something about them.
It was more of a long-term effect. The main thing that we achieved was to demonstrate, particularly to a lot of junior managers at working level, that bringing their people together for these daily stand-ups, using the visual management techniques and other techniques with which we trained and helped them, that really did work. And that has stayed with a lot of people.
There were a variety of techniques that were used, and I have to say, none of them terribly complex, but often at the benefit. If the techniques and methods that are used are simple, straightforward, the people are more likely to use them. So we did a lot of brainstorming. We did a lot of things around post-it planning, which we had never used before. And it sounds crude in that ideas, concepts, schedule is all driven by a large wall-sized piece of paper covered in post-it notes. That sounds quite basic, but in actual fact, it's very visual, and because it's very visual, it attracts attention. So you can see at a glance if you're on target, moving forward, hanging back, delayed, blocked, or whatever, and therefore take action.
Inspired Partners did a number of roles for us, and foremost they ran the change program, and certainly I used Sally to manage that program for me. But they equally provided change agents to work in amongst our teams, if you like, or specialists, and they provided a lot of expert advice, whether it be on how to deliver particular change actions or techniques, or in some cases very specific skills like laying out departments and areas in order to improve communication. So it was quite a breadth of the experience they brought, but it was very directed to the particular areas that we couldn't provide that experience.
If you'd like to find out more about Inspired Partners, contact Sally Palethorpe on 07812 990 545 or email sallyp@inspired-partners.com.